Hi guys, it's me again, MJ, and today I'm gonna show you the unboxing of my Nopeet the Shield Max that I purchased on their website. So I just got this one today from the mail. So let's open it. So, open it. So the package came from Finland. Supposedly it should be delivered to me yesterday, but because it's raining hard, the delivery man asked me to reschedule it today instead. So this is how it looks like. So it came with a orange letter. So yeah, the box is a little bit deformed. I do understand. Yeah, it's kind of a little bit deformed here, but it's okay. So yep, this is how it looks like. Nopeet. Nopeet. Yep. Straight out of future. The Shield Max. Mastermind in Finland, assembled in China, worn everywhere. 100% MB proof, water resistant to the bottom. Yep. So let's open it. So it has something on this one. Let me read it. Trying to be something others want you to be is living the life of others. By choosing a pair of brand new Nopeet shades, you demonstrate your level of interest in being just another brick in the wall. You're not just making a statement and supporting the production of a high quality product, you're also saving a Finn from freezing to death. You're probably feeding his family too. So yeah. So let's go back. This is how it looks like. Yep. So let's look at the other things inside. So we got the dust bag. I think it's made of satin, but the quality is nice. We also have the cleaning cloth. I think this is a lint-free one. Yep. And then we got the stickers. Kulit lang, results guarantee. Then we got Nopeet. Then another one, Nopeet. High motherfucking quality, Nopeet. So straight out of future. So yep. So let's open it. Yes, nice. So there's a word that says straight out of future, and then on the other side, Max. Yep. Yeah, let me remove the plastic. Yeah, it's Max. Yeah. So the plastic is really high quality. Makapal siya. And then the shield, makapal din yung plastic. So really nice siya. So yes, I'm gonna wear this one if I'm gonna go outside my house. So yeah, it's really nice. So yeah, thank you for watching the unboxing of my Nopeet the Shield Max, and have a good day. Bye.